A few days back, there is a new bot blew up on social media named Clawdbot or Moltbot, and the internet went crazy over it. It is actually an AI personal assistant that lives on our device. It can browse the web, automate tasks, and a lot more. And the best part is that we don't have to pay salaries, it won't sleep, it works 24/7, and there is a lot more funny and interesting things. But here is the catch: security. Once we install it on our device, it will get full access. It can create files, delete files, run commands on terminal and all. That may lead to some kind of security issues. So I don't recommend you to install it on your personal device right now. But if you really want to try, the best option is to install it on a VPS server. So that's the video topic today. In this video, I will show you how we can create a virtual server. So it will be separated from your personal device, and how to install Moltbot inside that, and connect a chat platform like WhatsApp or Telegram, and finally how we can add different types of skill for our AI assistant like browsing the web, automating tasks, etc. So let's get started. Right now we are on the OpenClaw website, and here you can see all the features and the integrations we can make. First it was named as Clawdbot, then they changed the name to Moltbot due to some issues from the Anthropic team because their product name is also Claude. And again after one day they changed the name to OpenClaw, and I hope they don't change the name again. So from now I will say OpenClaw. Okay, so to install this, first we have to purchase a simple VPS server. For that we are using Hostinger. Just go to the link in the video description and you will land on this page. If you scroll a bit, you will see 4 different plans here. The KVM2 plan is absolutely perfect for running this, which comes with 2 virtual CPU, 8 GB RAM, 100 GB of NVMe storage, and 8 TB bandwidth. And it costs $549 Indian rupees. If we convert this to dollars, it's around $6 per month. So it's very cost effective, let's say. And at any point, if your resource usage goes high, you can upgrade to the higher plan in just a few clicks. So let's choose this, and it will redirect to the checkout page. First select the server validity here as 1 month, 1 year or 2 year. Then choose the server location. Always choose the server location that is closest to your region, so it will improve the server performance. Next we have to choose the operating system or the application. By default it is selected as OpenClaw, but we have to choose Docker for now. And once we set up the VPS, we will install OpenClaw inside the Docker container. So we don't have to play with the terminals and commands to install this. We can manage each and everything from the VPS dashboard itself. Okay, and on the right side we have an option to apply coupon codes, and I have 2 special coupon codes available for you. If you are purchasing the 24-month plan, apply the coupon code RajivDas15 to get a 15% instant discount. And if you are choosing the 12-month plan, apply the coupon code RajivDas to get a 10% instant discount. Okay, now let me complete the payment and I will show you the next steps. It's done. Here I purchased the VPS. First we have to set a root password, then tap next. And Hostinger provides a free malware scanner. Just enable this and click finish setup. And it started setting up our VPS. This will take around 2 to 5 minutes. And here we go, our VPS server is ready. Click on manage VPS. This will land us into the H panel or the VPS dashboard. From here we can manage our VPS, monitor the usage and all. Now let's install OpenClaw. Go to the Docker manager and tap on projects. Now click compose and select one-click deploy. And on the search bar just search OpenClaw. And you will be able to see this template. Now click on deploy and it will open a pop-up page something like this. We have to save this OpenClaw gateway token somewhere, and it will be required us to log into our OpenClaw dashboard all the time. Next we have to add the Anthropic or the OpenAI API key, which will be used as a chat or a LLM model for our OpenClaw AI assistant. So let me paste my OpenAI API key here. Next, here you can add your WhatsApp number if required, and later you can scan the QR code and chat with our AI assistant from the WhatsApp itself. I'm just leaving it as empty and clicking deploy. Okay, now our OpenClaw project is being deployed. This will take a few seconds. It's done, and just click here and it will open the OpenClaw dashboard. It may show not secure like this because we are just opening it on the VPS IP and the port, and there is no SSL certification, so don't worry about that. Here we have to paste the gateway token we got during the setup and just click login. Okay, now we are on the OpenClaw dashboard. Once we go to the overview section and if the status shows connected, we are good to go. Now let's do a quick test. Go to chat and let's say hi. And here we go, we got the response. Hey, I just came online. Before we do anything else, what should I call you and what do you want to call me? So it's working perfectly. Right now we are just chatting from the OpenClaw dashboard, but the real power comes when we connect this AI assistant with a chat platform like WhatsApp or Telegram. So now I will show you how we can connect this with Telegram. For that, just go to the config section and just click on raw. And one more thing, here we can see the LLM chat model it uses. If you given the Anthropic API key, it will use the model Claude Opus 4.5. And if you have given the OpenAI API key, it uses the default model GPT 5.2. And if you want to change the default model, you can simply edit here. For example, let me change the GPT 5.2 model to GPT 5 mini. And once done, just click save. So from now, it will use the updated models. And to connect Telegram, we have to add a simple JSON snippet. Just scroll down to the bottom and just after the second to last close brace, add a comma, then click enter and then just paste this snippet. I will add all these resources in a blog post and you can find the link in the video description. And in this you have to replace two things. The first one is the Telegram bot access token. So for that, first we have to create a Telegram bot. For that, just go to Telegram and here I am using the web version. And in the search bar, just search at botfather and select this one. This is where you can create and manage all your Telegram bot. Just click start and from the received message, select new bot. So first we have to give a name for our bot. Let's say Captain Claw. And next we have to set a unique username for the bot and which must end with bot. So let's say Captain Clawbot. Okay, it looks like the username is already taken. Let's try another one. And it's done. And our bot has been created. And here is the access token. Just copy it and go back to the OpenClaw dashboard and paste it here. And next we have to add our unique Telegram chat ID. Every Telegram account has a unique ID. So to get that, go back to the Telegram again and search at user info bot and select this one and click start. It will return the chat ID like this. Just copy that number and simply paste it here. Now click save and it's done. Now let's open our bot. Go to botfather and click here to open our newly created bot. Let's click start and it's typing. That means it has triggered our OpenClaw AI assistant. And here we go, we got the response. Hey Rajiv, nice to meet you. I'm online and ready. What should I call you? I can use your Telegram name or another. What would you like to call me? Let's reply and confirm my name. I'm Rajiv and you are Captain Claw, my personal AI assistant. Click enter and now it has saved the details in its memory and we are ready to use it. We can ask it to do any task like browsing or something. Also, we can add custom skills. Once we go to the skills section in the OpenClaw dashboard, we can see 50 inbuilt skills. Some of them are enabled. To install a custom skill, just go to this website clawhub.ai. Here we can find the custom skills made by different authors. Here I just found one which converts text to speech by OpenAI. So let me just download the zip file. Now go to Telegram and let's say I want to add a skill. Let me share the zip file with you. Now just attach the zip file and say add this. This will take a few seconds and here we go, it has added that skill. Once we go to the OpenClaw dashboard, currently it has 50 skills. Let's refresh the page and there is a new one in the workspace skills named OpenAI TTS. So the skill has been added successfully. Now back to Telegram. So here first we have to give our OpenAI API key. Let's say save my OpenAI API key and just paste the API key here. Now it's gonna save the API key for the skill to process. It's done and now let's try it. Let's ask create a voice and send it back here and give the text. Hello, this is a test from Captain Claw. Click enter and here we go, we received the audio.
Hello, this is a test from Captain Claw.
Perfect. Now we can even modify the skill. For example, let's ask now create a shortcut for this skill. Once I send audio, you have to ask for the text. Once I share it, create the voice as MP3 and send it back here without any further question. Now click enter. Now it's gonna create a shortcut for us. We may need to give some more instruction or confirmations, but once it's done, it's super easy to use. Now the shortcut is created. Let me give the command /audio. And now it's asking for the text to convert. Let's say, hello, this is a final test from Captain Claw AI Assistant. And click enter. And here we go, here is the audio.
Hello, this is a final test from Captain Claw AI Assistant.
So that's how you can add a skill to your AI personal assistant. And one more interesting feature is that it can browse the web for us. For example, here I just asked go to this website and find the contact details, and it visited the website and collected the contact details for us. Also, it can take screenshot. Here I just asked take a screenshot of the page and send it. And just like that, I got the screenshot. It's really interesting. So that's all for today. I hope you understand about the OpenClaw AI assistant. If you want to try it, I have given the hosting a link in the video description. Use that and purchase a VPS server and follow the steps. And let me know how your experience is. I will be uploading more useful AI and automation videos in the upcoming days, so don't forget to like and subscribe. It's absolutely free. See you in the next one. Thank you.